In this video, we're gonna talk about Ruby and how we can install Ruby on Mac. So I'm going to start by first giving an overview, and then I will walk you through the installation step by step. The first thing I want to do is point you to the primary resource for the Ruby language, and that's the Ruby language website, ruby-lang.org. So let us go and see this website. So if you go to that website, you will see the downloading versions of Ruby, and you will come across the latest version. So for example, here, as you can see, the latest version while I am recording this video is a 1.9.3. So try to have the latest version installed on your Mac computer. You don't have to install the source code. You scroll down until you see the Mac operating system X, and based on the version of operating system you will install the equivalent or the proper Ruby program. So let us go back and take a look on installations. Now, if you have Mac operating system with 10.1, you may have some problems. So it's really good to go to that website I just showed you to see how you can solve those problems. If you have 2.2 or 10.2 or 10.3, you can upgrade. So the operating system Mac comes with Ruby. In that case, you only need to do an upgrading version of Ruby. If you have Tiger, you will have 1.8.2. If you have Leopard operating system, you will have 1.8.6. If you have the Snow Leopard, you will have 1.8.7, Lion 1.8.8, and 1.8.9 if you have the Mountain Lion. So all those versions of Ruby comes automatically actually with your Mac operating. So technically, all what you have to do is just go to this website and try to install the proper version. If you have the Tiger or Leopard, so try to read the articles and the directions that is coming with the operating system. What else? Now, let us talk about the editor. It is recommended not to use the Microsoft Word as an editor, because really you want to have something more suitable to manipulate and to see your code more properly. One of the most popular editors is the TextMate that comes from the company www.macromaze.com, and if you click on that link you can see the editor, and you can download it for 30 days as a trial version. Actually, it's not so expensive if you want to buy it. Now, if you watched my previous video on installing Perl on Mac and you are happy with Eclipse, you can do exactly the same what we did with Perl, installing it on Eclipse and make it work on Eclipse. And this is what I am gonna use during this semester. So go ahead and try to install Ruby on your machine and try to see if it's available already. How can you test if Ruby is available even before doing any installation? Actually, on Mac the process is very easy. You can go to the terminal and you just write Ruby-V asking for the version, and you can see which version you are having on your system. In my case, I have the Ruby 1.9 installed, 0.3 installed on my Mac. And you can ask by saying wish Ruby. You can know exactly where is allocated this programming language or the interpreter on your machine. In my case, I have it in this root. You might have it in different place, of course. So this is make us sure that we have Ruby installed in our machine. What else? If you are using the and happy with the TextMate, so you can run it and you can have it in your machine and you can test it if it's running or not. So let me create an application, very simple, just to print, and let me save it. The extension is RB for Ruby. I'm gonna save it on desktop. Now if I want to run it, I can open the terminal. I have to go to desktop. I'm already in desktop, and let me see the directory. What do I have there? I have test.rb. Just I'm gonna call it Ruby test.rb, and here we go. We have hello printed out for us. Let us try puts, because puts does actually put a new line. So we'll go to the next line. So let me recall Ruby test, and as you can see, it printed on a new line, and go to the next step. So we are fine, ready to go to use Ruby, and we'll learn more about the command line and the object-oriented programming that we're gonna touch base in this semester. Okay, good luck with your installation of Ruby on Mac, and I'm gonna do another recording for installing Ruby on PC as well. Okay, that's it.